Hello dear Libra, welcome to my channel, and this is your last week of July plus first week of August combined video, since some of the days are falling in July, some of the days are falling in August. So let's see how this week is going to be for you. This is a general reading. This is a love plus career reading. So if you have a question on your mind, please think about it so that you get an answer in this reading. So we are going to start with your career first. There are a few signs which popped out, so I'm going to tell you. You could be dealing with a fellow Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, or you could have them in your own birth chart as well. In your career or in your love, you are meeting these people, talking to these people. Okay. In your career, you've got the Six of Stars and the Two of Suns. This tells me that you're waiting on some sort of good news to come your way, like some sort of promotion, new job opportunity, or a business deal, more clients coming your way. But unfortunately, there are clashes. Even if you get that job, even if you meet those investors, there is still something off, which means you are getting into arguments and clashes. Like everything looks good and you're hoping for a closure on that deal or that promotion or that job money raise, but you end up fighting with these people. Why is that happening? Are they bad people? Are you a bad person? No. This is all about compatibility issues. I do see that irrespective of your new job and new promotion or any, I also see that this has to be something, this has to do with something new. Like you've just joined something, like you just started something, or you're about to, like you're giving interviews but you're having compatibility issues. You start arguing in the interview rounds itself, right? So why is that happening? Because you both have compatibility issues. The people that you're meeting with, talking to, are also strong personalities just like you, and that is why there is a clash. You both have ego issues. You both could be short tempered, because of which uh, some your work is getting delayed, like your growth, your money is getting delayed. So if this is you, if this is happening with you, you have to compromise. This card calls for compromise from your end. Now, obviously, relationships usually work, whether that's business or personal, when both the parties are compromising equally. But unfortunately, you cannot ask your boss or your investors or your colleagues to compromise if they are not working uh, for you, right? So if you compromise this week, if you nod and listen to them, if you bend a little, it will be better for you, because you will be able to get what you want, maybe that job and promotion. But if you continue to be rigid or egoistical, it's not going to work out for you. Okay. So please make sure that you're compromising on salary, compromising on hours, something or the other. You will have to compromise. If you be too rigid, it's not going to work out for you. So remember that. Let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Four of Stars and the Moon card. You are carrying a lot of hurt and pain around a personal situation where somebody probably cheated on you, lied to you, hurt you in some way, right? Used you in some way. You're still carrying that hurt. And rightly so, because I do see a moon card here which talks about hidden intentions of someone, not true intentions of someone, someone using you for their own purposes. Probably you found out some sort of truth because somebody is hiding something, right? And maybe your intuition is telling you that this person is not telling you the truth, right? This is a week where people will lie to you, hide things from you, right? Use you in some way. It can be your own friends, family, or relationships, spouse, in laws as well. So please try to follow your intuition. If your intuition is saying that, this person is not telling me the truth, then probably yes, that's true. Especially this is a love reading, so I do see that your partner could be hiding something from you. Maybe they are involved somewhere else, or maybe they don't intend to give you the commitment that you want, or they have no intention of getting married to you or having babies with you. Whatever it is your conversation is about, please take what resonates with you. Okay, to each one of you, the situation can be different, but yes, there is a hidden intention, not having true intentions, not having your best interests, right? So please follow your intuition. Even your dreams will be guiding you this week. So follow your dreams. Your intuition will tell you exactly what is happening. rely more on yourself rather than other people this week, because yes, your partner is hiding something. There's something off. Especially if you're talking to new people and you feel that this person is off, but your family is saying, no, 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 they're very nice, you should get married to them. No. Okay? Listen to your intuition. If you feel something is off about this person, there's 100% chance that there is something off, that they are lying, that they are hiding their true intentions. Okay? So please, it's a card of caution. So be cautious in your personal relationships, who you're talking to and who you're trusting. Overall, if I see a general result is that it is going to be a challenging week for you guys. Okay, you'll have to be on high alert, you have to compromise on a lot of things, you also have to rely a lot of on yourself and your own intuition. So yes, it can be challenging, so please be strong. Also follow the guidance so that this week is smoother for you, as compared to what your cards are showing. Okay, and yes, if you still have any question on your mind, you can book a personal reading with me. Everything is mentioned in my description box below. I have rituals, counseling sessions, packages, free remedies included in the packages, or separate blockage removal ritual as well, love readings as well. So if you think you need to know something about any area of your life, you can book a reading. My prices are very genuine and very budgeted. Check out my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Please follow me there. On a daily basis, I keep on posting the prices as well, and it's also pinned and in my highlights price list mentioned. You can check out all the prices, the recent prices. And other than that, you can email me as well. So to make any booking, to know any prices, either you DM me on Instagram or you email me. And yes, take care of yourself. I will see you very soon. Follow the guidance, please. Okay? Bye bye.